Welcome back, everyone. I'm Big Jim. Welcome to Big Jim's Kitchen. This channel is dedicated to showing you how to create different recipes I've learned throughout the years. Some easy, some not so easy. Some healthy, some not so healthy. Today's recipe, if you haven't already seen the thumbnail, not the healthiest. We're going to be making a country fried steak or chicken fried steak, whichever you prefer to call it. So, before I get into the ingredients, let's get cooking. So, your ingredients for today are going to be as follows. You're going to want to have your steak, which in this situation, you're going to want to use cubed steak. Reason being is because the way they prepare this in the processing plant, they get it all nice and beaten up for you and make it so that you can make the flour and stuff stick to it a whole lot better. Some other chains, if they're trying to do more of a hoity-toity chicken fried steak, they'll use like maybe a sirloin, but for our situation, you could use these cube steak. You're gonna want some all-purpose flour. You're gonna want a couple of eggs and a little bit of milk for your drench. You're also gonna want some vegetable oil, cook it in pan. And seasonings, we're gonna be using some Midlife Crisis Spices, who you calling a heifer, lemon pepper. Find it on midlifecrysisspices.com. I'm going to go ahead and put in the link right here. And last couple of things, you also go want to toss in a little bit of black pepper and to make it a bit more crispy, some baking powder. So, let's start getting it prepped. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to start warming up our oil, because deep frying this stuff's going to take a few minutes. So, turn on your pan and put a little bit of oil in there. Doesn't have to be too deep. This is going to take roughly 10 to 15 minutes to preheat. You're going to start with the first part of this process. You're going to want to go ahead and put yourself some flour in a container like this. Put your seasonings in here. Some pepper. A little bit of baking soda, or baking powder, roughly about a tablespoon worth, not too much. And our other seasoning, our lemon pepper. Get a good amount in here. Just gonna want to stir it all up. Probably should have had a spoon. I'll do that off camera to finish mixing this, but this is gonna be your first part. Now, let's go ahead and move on to our egg drench. Went ahead and put the eggs in the bowl. You're gonna want some eggs. Put in a little bit of milk, not too much. Some more of the seasonings, because we're trying to season the heck out of this. More pepper, and some more of the lemon pepper. First, gonna start off while it's dry. Go ahead, put her in breading mixture. Make sure I press it in, make it's nice and coated. It's gonna be a 3-part step. Get nice and coated, and go ahead, put it in your drench. Make sure to get it on both sides. Now it's nice and coated. Put it back in the first. And recoat it. Might have to shake it up a little bit. You're going to time it for 2 minutes each side. And you're going to pull it off. And what I like to do, since these things come out super greasy, is go ahead and have yourself a plate with a paper towel on there, like you're cooking bacon. Now that we've given this chicken fried steak a few minutes to cool off, we're going to try it. Now, some of you might be wondering, James, where is the gravy? You know, this chicken fried steak, you gotta have gravy on it. I agree. Normally, I love to put nice meat gravy over my chicken fried steak. However, just for the purpose of this video, I'm showing you how to do the chicken fried steak by itself. If you check out my biscuits and gravy video, I show step-by-step process for the nice sausage gravy that I make in that one. So check out that video too. But now, go ahead and try out this. And hopefully my cat doesn't get in camera because he's being very needy today. Nice and crispy. Still kind of warm. Everything comes together. The flavor is downright delicious, especially with the Midlife Crisis Spices seasonings. But yeah, so make great breakfast, great anytime meal. So don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.